This session is an overview of the NLM's Disaster Health Information Project at Pacific College of Oriental Medicine on the pertinent disaster tools and resources that are available free to everyone from a single point. The National Library of Medicine, NIH, and the Department of Health and Human Services provide access to a cadre of databases and resources used during disasters, as you see here. The focal point of access for NLM's disaster resource is DIMRC, the Disaster Information Research Center portal. It includes numerous topics, databases, and the latest apps which are useful to first responders, healthcare providers, the public, and are great tools for librarians to help users find needed information during crises. From DIMRC, you can search disaster topics, emergency response tools, and access apps to download. The topics page opens to a variety of disaster and emergency types. Primary interests in the West are wildfires, earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, terrorism, and epidemics. As you scroll down the topics, you see all the special federal agencies responsible to provide help during these disasters. Here are just a few topics. It even takes you to Medline Plus and a variety of resources such as Toxtown, multiple languages, and care for animals. Returning back to DIMRC, an important module is the emergency response tools. Here you can access WISER, Chem, REM, and other hazardous materials search tools. WISER stands for Wireless Information System for Emergency Responders. On the right sidebar, you can see it accesses Chem, REM, and others. On the bottom, it takes you to apps for downloading. Keep your eye on the browser as it includes useful items such as a tutorial shown here. Chem has a quick ChemIST intelligent syndrome tool for identifying chemicals in a disaster. Also, the tutorial for new users is called Where Do I Start? REM, Radiation Emergency Medical Management, and ChemID Plus for toxicology materials shown here are two other valuable sources which are easy to use, but they also have a How to Get Started section. Here's an example of what you find in REM. Note the dirty bomb blast alert. Medline Plus is a major disaster information source. Because fires are so critical, I selected it and found invaluable information. Related is carbon monoxide poisoning, burns and mass casualties, bleeding and possible care of HIV affected are all in Medline Plus. For PubMed is an invaluable source and it is important to train health professionals to filter searches for full-text articles during disasters. I searched for PubMed for fires and burns and found several full-text articles. You see here the abstract and full text. Returning back to DIMRC, I want to remind you to check for apps to download. And go to the NLM Gallery of Mobile Apps for more resources. San Diego City and County have important emergency service resources. Ready San Diego, 211 San Diego are useful for us, and you see San Diego County Recovery Site here. Here is the San Diego County Emergency Site and our college's library's disaster link. This completes this section. I wish to thank you for participating, and I wish to thank all that helped us make this possible. Thank you.